Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a yo-yo pullback. Obviously knowing how to do a yo-yo is a good prerequisite for this. If you've done something easy in the pullback variety like a basket pullback, that would be helpful too. Links to those in the description below. But assuming you've got that kind of experience, then you're ready for this. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off man's right, lady's right. We go semicircling back, standard yo-yo to begin with. We come in across the chest, we twist the lady out so the lady is noticeably back from the guy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and turn the lady 360 degrees, so all the way around. As we bring her forwards a little bit, we're not trying to get her in front of us, we're only trying to get her to roughly where we are now. At the same time, the left hand is going to pick up the lady's left shoulder and the guy's going to back up to get behind the lady so that we have the right hand wide, the left hand on the shoulder. At this point the lady's energy is forwards, so the lady's pushing forwards and the guy's actually blocking her from going any further. We continue past the lady to get out of the way, so heading out to the right, we pull the lady back predominantly with the left hand but a little bit with the right hand. Once the lady's moving we can let go with the right, the left hand slides across the shoulders, guys head out to the other side opposite the lady, down the arm and end up left to right and ready to go into your next move. So now let's think numbers. We go semicircle back 1, across the chest 2, standard twist out 3, all the way forwards into the block 4, sliding back 5 and making it to the hand on 6. So now you've got it, let's try it together. 5, 6, a yo-yo pull back. It's a back, in, twist, block, slide and catch. And that is the whole thing. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. If you are enjoying what we do, then do please put a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to make sure you know every time a video comes out, pop the notification bell on as well. Music recommendation of something nice to practice to comes up in one of the windows at the end of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.